Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the bottle strength, 1% for maintenance, 5% for active flaking, because concentration affects contact time. Next, thoroughly wet your scalp with warm water so the shampoo spreads evenly. Make sure hair is damp but not dripping. Apply a towel across shoulders and tilt your head back slightly to prevent runoff into the eyes. Once done, dispense a small amount directly onto the scalp. Focus on affected areas rather than saturating the entire length. You should use your fingertips, not nails, to apply the shampoo and gently massage it into the scalp, targeting flakes and itchy zones. This action helps loosen scale without damaging skin. Make a lather and maintain gentle circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes depending on strength, because contact time determines effectiveness. If the label or your clinician advised a partial rinse or repeat cycle, follow that timing. Otherwise, prepare to leave the product on as directed before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. After the recommended contact time, you rinse the scalp thoroughly until the water runs clear, ensuring no residue remains because leftover product can cause irritation or staining. Pat your scalp and hair dry with a towel, do not rub vigorously, and then style as usual once fully dry. For ongoing control, follow the prescribed frequency such as twice weekly, then reduce to maintenance. If you experience burning, severe redness, or swelling, stop use immediately and consult your healthcare provider for alternatives or dilution guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.